So today we're going to be showing y'all how to replace the flapper on a Mansfield Genuine 228 flush valve. Now before we start replacing the flapper, there are a couple things I wanted to point out, just because we do get several questions, phone calls, emails from customers asking if they can just use a universal or aftermarket flapper on their Mansfield flush valve. Unfortunately, you cannot. And now the reason for that is Mansfield tries to keep their parts with their toilets. And how they do that with the flush valves in particular is you can see these little plastic tabs right here that the flapper hooks to. On this right side here, if we look at the peg that kind of secures that flapper, keeps it from coming off, it's larger than the one on the left. Now on like an aftermarket, OEM, or even other brands of flush valves, those two plastic tabs will be the same size. Now what that'll cause is with a flapper, those holes could be too small, and if they're too small, it will cause the flapper, when it falls, to kind of get stuck or caught up and not fall smoothly. If the hole is too large, say on this smaller side, if the hole in the flapper is too large, it can just slide kind of right over that plastic tab. Now, with replacing the flapper, what you would do is just take the rubber kind of ear right here, push it to the tab, the bottom side of the flapper, push it up, and it'll come right off that tab. Same thing for this left side here. It's just going to be a little tighter because that tab is smaller, but same thing, push it over to the tab, bottom, press it up, then over. Flapper will come right off. Now when installing the flapper, goes on the same way it comes off. Line up the hole, make sure the tab goes through, push it down and over. Same thing for that side, same thing, maybe a little bit tighter, down and over. Now when the flapper is installed, what you want to look at, just take a quick glance at, is the slack in the chain. If there's too much slack and you've got, say the chain is sitting on the flapper, like you can see here, what that can cause is when that lever comes up to flush the toilet, or you press the lever down to flush the toilet, and that arm raises, it's got to pull all of that slack out before it really makes contact and pulls the flapper up. That can cause a super weak flush, less water going out of the tank and into the bowl to flush. So when that chain is hooked to the handle, you want the least amount of slack as possible. So you almost want it just to where that flapper stays down and seated, but as soon as you start to raise that handle, that flapper comes up, allowing for a maximum flush. You're getting the most amount of water out of there as possible. And once again, this is how to replace the flapper on a Mansfield Genuine 228 flush valve.